Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into Wacky Wednesday. I'm your lovable, cuddly host, Sweet Bobby. Good to have you with us. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Brad in the house. We got Brandy in the house. We got Brandon in the house. Hold on a second. My eyes went a little foggy. We got Chaim in the house. We got DB. We got Dwayne. So good to have all of you here. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And the markets have stabilized a little bit after we had the little drop yesterday. So the E-minis are up 21 points, up 0.3%, and the NASDAQ is up double what the E-minis are, up 0.68%. And it looks like volume is up a little bit. Look at there. We don't have very many candles under 2,000. We do have some now going into lunchtime chop, but that's fine. VIX is at 16.9. Wow. So we're getting paid. So, Brandy, make sure you realize this that VIX went up to like 19 or 20 yesterday. So, VIX is contracting, which means that we're getting paid today on those options that we sold uh, based on the contraction of VIX, which is really, 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 really good. AD is negative 237. Look at this. This is interesting. AD is going down, 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 down. This went down, 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 down. But look, we had a little bit. Look at there. Price was going up while VIX or while the AD was going down. That is unusual. That's very unusual. Then we started the downward trend again. Then we're still kind of flattening out and AD's going up. We're still in that opening 30-minute range though. And the hourly mid band is going up. We are under VWAP. And I'm not sure what that is. That's a pivot point or something. Not sure what that is. Or it might be the cash open. Might be the cash open. So let's look at our big green monster that we just freshly drew yesterday. See if we can garner anything from this. This did end up serving as support, didn't it? And then boom, 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 boom. Back up into the fair value zone. Let's make sure this is the fair value zone. Yep. We're back into the fair value zone. So point of control here, where the most volume has traded in the last 10 days. That's always a magnet for price. And indeed, it pulled it up. And we did test these areas a little bit there. So this is really good. So I would think, based on the next 10 days, that we're probably going to be headed up some a little bit here, just based on what we're seeing here. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression. Look at this. It's almost like they said, Bobby's got a line here. So we can't go under that. And we got to get our butts back into the linear regression channel. Isn't that cool? That really, really, really cool. So now we've got this little, it says it's red, but I don't know why it's red if the market's up. It's kind of strange, isn't it? But still, linear regression looks like we're still going up, 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 and away. So I'd say everything that we're seeing is a little bit bullish. But remember, when you sell options, okay, look, this is a good time to talk about the difference in buying options and selling options. When you sell options, you can make money if the market goes up, down, or sideways, as long as it doesn't go down or up too much. When you buy options, if you're buying a call, you only make money if the price goes up and goes up significantly and quickly. If you buy a put, you only make money if the market goes down and significantly and quickly, right? So that's the good thing about selling options is for those of us that are option sellers, and it feels weird to say that I'm an option seller again, but of course I am. I think I just had to get away from it for a little bit. So not too bad. We're up $108 here. Our TQQQ is doing good today. So we're up. Everything looks really, really good. Let's look at our positions. Our theta is 45. Remember, we wanted that to be around 35, so we're real good here. And remember yesterday in this account, we were at 60% buying power usage, but when the fix went down again, what happened is that went down, so back to 42%. So I think we're looking really, really, really good. Our delta is a point is 22, so that's basically delta neutral. Theta is that, and I tried for years to try to monitor my Vega and try to do something with it. You just can't do it. You just really can't do it. So everything looks really, really good in our accounts. Let's see how our positions are doing today. So our bill doing what bill does. The E-mini position is even up a little bit today. That's unusual. That's because that's the hedge, but we're down $36 altogether on it. Our MES positions are up total $104 on the day. That's where most of our gains are coming for the day, which is really, really good. So this 111 we'll probably take this off our naked put at about 21 days. So that looks good. That one's doing good. It's up $50 total. 111 second up $61. This is at 83% on that one. Look at that. So we got 28 days on that. So we'll probably let that go another 7 days or so before we take that off. Our strangle 4 is up $28. Our 1117 is down $21, but it's up $10 on the day. Our strangle 2 is up $121. It's up $25 today. So remember, we've got GTC orders on these strangles to take them off at 50%. So those are working really, really well. 111 fifth up $46. 1116 up $29. And now I wish I had put on a 111 yesterday. Did any of y'all put on one yesterday? It was a great day with the market down significantly. It was a great day to put on a 111, but I just thought that my buying power was too much. And you never know. What if price keeps going down and there's calamity and you never know. This 111 fourth is up $32. This 111 third is up $61. This triangle is up $16. So everything's looking really, 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 really good. Let's look at this. Let's see. Trade. Let's see. I wanted to see where my how do I do this? Hold on a second. Let me see. Positions. And trade curve. I wanted to see where my stuff is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, look, this is good. Oh, wow, I like this. Look at this. This shows all of my stuff, y'all. Isn't this cool? So we couldn't be any better on our little things here on our strangles. Look at this. We're right in the middle, baby. Right in the middle. We don't want to be too far this way. We don't want to be too far this way. We want to be in the middle of those, and everything looks really, really good. Look at that. Look at all this stuff that we've got here, building up here. This is good. I like our little portfolio, y'all. So make the 111 great again with what we've done. At what profit and loss percentage do you take the 111s off? Brandon, in my trading plan, it says I think 85 to 90% take those off. But as long as we're right here, I think I'll let those go down to about 21 days. So I've been putting them on at about 60 days. So, I think I'll let them go down to about, let's look at them again here. 1116. That one's up 35%. That one's up 37%. That one's getting close. See there, 75%. So I'll probably take that off at about 21 days. I think that's when I'll take it off. So you're looking at 85, 90% profitable on those. This one's at 77% at 44 days. This one's at 83%. This one's just about ready to take off. I think I'll let it try to squeeze a little bit more out of it right there. And see, then what you've got is you've got a fully paid for put debit spread, right? that's just pure a lottery ticket, right? It's that lottery ticket that you hope that maybe price goes down into that area and you start making some really good profits on that. So that's kind of the fun part about it. And you've got no risk, right? You got no risk. You got this thing paid for. This thing has financed that. And so that's why I kind of like adding the strangles too. You add a few strangles in there, and those are really big profit centers, right? Because those seems a lot bigger. You bring in more premium on the strangles. So you got a few strangles, you got a few 111s, and everything looks really, really good. I like what we've got going on here. This is good. And it is good to be a premium seller again after just getting burned. We won't even mention the date anymore. We'll just keep going with what we're doing. So I think we're doing really, really well. Anyone else got any questions about anything? Everybody good? Everybody having good time? Y'all selling a little premium? Hope you got a 111 on yesterday if you didn't have any. It was a great day to do one. All right, y'all. Good session today. I love you to pieces, and I will see y'all tomorrow.